Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to just teach you about the abiotic factors in class 8 biology. Previously I already told you about the biotic factors, some other topics, interdependence of living organisms, but today I am just start with the abiotic components and the things which are present in the abiotic components. So as I told you, abiotics are the non-living components of the environment. The first abiotic component which I am going to discuss is the air. So air is the abiotic component. So why this air is important for the survival? So thing is that air is a mixture of gases. In air oxygen is there. So oxygen, it helps in the respiration. Other important gas is the carbon dioxide. And why this carbon dioxide is gas is important? Because is important to carry out the photosynthesis. Then the wind, moving air. Wind is also very important because it helps in seed dispersal and pollination. That is the reason the air is important abiotic factor. Other important abiotic factor is the water. Now, water is important for all the life processes, that means all the life living activities which occur in our body. For all life process, just like digestion, excretion and the other thing. It also helps in the photosynthesis. Water is necessary for aquatic habitat. Then one more important thing, water is also necessary for seed germination. It is an important condition for seed germination. Necessity of the water. Okay. So other abiotic factor is the soil. Now, soil is also a abiotic factor and which is very important because it just provides water and nutrient. It provides water and nutrient. Second thing, it is a dwelling place for some organism. Just like earthworm, rat, etc. Then the roots of terrestrial plants fixed in the soil. That's why the soil is important factor. Another important factor is the temperature. No, temperature, it is related with the cold temperature as well as the hotness. That means it is important for blooming of flower. That means the daytime is important for blooming of flower. Camels survive in desert as well as seal in freezing condition. Siberian cranes migrate long distance to avoid harsh cold conditions. Okay, now the another abiotic component which is important, that is humidity. And why the humidity is important? The reason behind it, it is favorable time for growth of fungus and bacteria. Second importance is high level of water vapor is important to form cloud. And the last abiotic factor is the sunlight. So sunlight, why the sunlight is important? First thing, to carry out the photosynthesis. That means in the presence of photosynthesis, the process of in the presence of sunlight, the photosynthesis is performed. The shoot of the plants grows towards the sunlight. That means it is for the phototropic. Another thing is the flowering cycle depend on the flowering and fruiting cycle. Depend on whether days are longer or shorter. That means the shorter and longer days, it is going to define the things that the flowering and fruiting cycle, how it will take the time. So this is related with the abiotic components. That means in this video I already told you about all the abiotic components and how it helps in the ecosystem and environment. So this is all about the today's video. Rest of the topics I will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.